Patrick at Pals. Look at that CRV. It's really low to the ground, isn't it? Well, it turns out that it's really too low to be useful. The customer is constantly bottoming out with it. It looks cool, and it's been this way for a while, but the customer has finally said enough and brought it to Pals to return it to stock ride height. We're going to put on the original style struts all the way around, which will return it to the proper height. Then the customer will put the stock wheels on it, and it'll return back to a more user-friendly vehicle. You know, folks, when you lower a car like this, they look cool, but when you're driving them, it's really problematic. Just going through a parking lot with parking lot bumps, you know, can really do damage to a vehicle. So a better way to do this, if you like that look when they're parked of being lowered, a better way is to put an airbag system on it. Then you can raise it to regular ride height when you're going down the road, and then when you park, you can lower it with the airbags to make it look cool. But when you've got it this way all the time, it can really be problematic. If you've got a lowered car and you want it back to regular ride height, bring it to Pals. See you soon.